Representing VFA 106 in your United States Navy, it's the F18 Hornet flight demonstration for 2012. Jared Stroud at the controls. It's time for the Hornet. Radius, turn, bank it, and all right, buddy. He's going to call the maneuver now. Because these clouds are an issue with what he can do. He is not allowed by rule to enter the clouds. So what you're going to see now is what is called the carrier configuration pass. And this will allow you to see what the airplane see the tail hook? Enabling this aircraft to travel at speeds of nearly 1,200 miles per hour, or 1 point this airplane is.
It's loud, that's why.
Well, he's going to keep it below the clouds, so we won't see the second half of that one. Now the next maneuver, I believe, is going to be what we call a slow speed pass. You saw Bill left in his north.
He's going slow enough, I can get this.
There's 20 degrees nose up. How fast? We have 110 over the ground. 110 knots over the ground. And there's 25. That's a 35,000-pound airplane. What's the deal? How do you like it? VFA 106.
That was quiet.
Oh man, that sounded good.
That was quiet from here.
Okay, get her right to the go, and then I'll go and join up following me. That sounds great. You pitching at about 350 knots, just shy of 400 miles per hour. Watch as Stewie goes into a hard left turn, decelerating to set up to land. The carrier Now, as he slows down, he'll get to about 250 nautical miles per hour, which is about 285 or so miles per hour, as we know in our cars, if we can drive that fast. He'll lower the landing gear, lower the flaps, and if we were going to land on the deck of a carrier, he'd lower that tail hook. It is the job of a naval aviator to put that tail hook down in about a 3 foot by 3 foot square, or she will have enough power to go around to do it again, just in case it misses or there is a bolter. Watch him touch down, watch the throttles come forward, and he's got the power, and he goes right back up into the air. Naval Air Station Oceana, Lieutenant Jared Strout. It is the Tailhook Legacy Flight. And the two GE F404 turbofan engines on the Hornet. Oceana and the SB2C Helldiver.
You'll see that one.
Hello.
Just about to touch down. Cameras on. Ladies and gentlemen from VFA 106 and the Commemorative Air Force, the Tailhook Legacy Flight. Delivery and aboard are the Red Devils parachutists from the British Army here in this 200th anniversary celebration of the War of 1812, what many people refer to as second or strength of the aircraft wing that they had to have there. Just take a look at it. And Mark, looks like they've given them permission to launch.
Yeah, they're about to launch. What we're going to see here is a full afterburner takeoff. That's going to allow them to take off as short as possible.